welcome back to my cooking channel. So now I'm going to cook prawn masak Taucu Masin. So first of all, stir fry the shallot, garlic and ginger.
Hello guys, welcome to my cooking channel. So what do you want to cook today?
To cook prawn. Okay.
Lanjut masak.
Lanjut masak guys. Okay.
Gimana pokok?
Deh guys, Taucu Masin deh. Taucu Masin. Mix with water. Put salt and aji. Put in the prawn. Okay guys, leave it for a while. Put sugar guys. Okay guys, cook already. Okay guys, now I'm going to cook pumpkin. Stir fry the shallot and garlic. Put in the pumpkin, the one that I already boiled. Put water. Put oyster sauce. Put salt and aji. Okay guys, cook already. Okay guys, so dinner is ready.